Can a six-time market champion single-handedly save the affordable MPV segment from total extinction while completely undercutting the entire global budget landscape? I am AVA. Today, we isolate a highly disruptive volume market offensive, the all-new Wuling Starlight 730, also known on domestic grids as the Xinguang 730. Positioned directly below the highly competitive 120,000 yuan threshold, with a jaw-dropping starting entry node of just 71,000 yuan, SAICGM Wuling is officially weaponizing its legendary MPV legacy. This multi-purpose vehicle drops right into the crosshairs of modern working families, bypassing high-margin traps. Is this aggressively priced family capsule built to claim the global volume crown once again, or is it a final, low-margin gamble in an oversaturated market? Let's decode the raw engineering. To track how Wuling intends to dominate the value grid, we must analyze the physical scale of the Starlight 730. It stretches to a highly optimized 4,910 millimeters in length, riding on a generous 2,910 millimeter wheelbase blueprint. The exterior design discards the old, commercial box look for a sleek, minimalistic aerodynamic profile. But isolate the killer application for this exact price tier: dual electric sliding rear doors. This represents a luxury access format typically locked behind massive price walls, offering effortless family ingress and egress in dense urban parking nodes. Step inside the updated workspace, where lifestyle ergonomics reach an absolute apex for a budget platform. The Starlight 730 introduces an expansive 7-seat multi-flexible configuration, utilizing high-tier materials that lift the perception of this entry-level framework. The headline edition across premium grades is a commanding 15.6-inch central command display, heavily cleaning up dashboard ergonomics. Powered by Wuling's proprietary Ling OS ecosystem, the platform links natural language AI interaction with an ultra-responsive central interface. Technologically, the infrastructure incorporates an advanced digital instrument cluster, wireless smartphone charging pads, and integrated Level 2 driver assistance grids. Row configuration is highly optimized, allowing the secondary seats to slide independently, while the third row can fold completely flush into the lower floor chassis. It is a highly calculated visual and digital modernization, providing an elite, interactive family environment. Let's dissect the mechanical underpinnings, because Wuling is introducing a masterclass in platform adaptability. Built on the advanced Tianyu D architecture, the Starlight 730 launches as a tri-energy platform supporting pure internal combustion, plug-in hybrid, and battery electric setups. The PHEV variant combines a 1.5-liter engine with a high-density electric drive matrix, achieving an impressive 125 kilometers of pure electric range. But look closely at the pure EV specification, housing up to a 60 kilowatt-hour cell array integrated via Wuling's specialized Magic Battery platform. This packaging layout optimizes structural rigidity while maintaining a completely flat cabin floor, delivering a highly impressive CLTC-rated range of up to 540 kilometers. To evaluate if the Starlight 730 can capture the ultimate crown, we must weigh it against its primary rival, the BYD Song Max DMI. While BYD enjoys immense brand momentum, it simply cannot compete with Wuling's absolute price-to-volume ratio, forcing buyers well past the 100,000 yuan border. Let's deliver the final industrial diagnosis. The Wuling Starlight 730 is a highly calculated, lethal economic strike. By offering a spacious, tech-laden 7-seat layout with a flat Magic Battery architecture and electric sliding doors for under 120,000 yuan, Wuling has effectively democratized modern family transport. With early global cumulative sales already clearing 45,000 units, the corporate strategy is working flawlessly. The legacy of the six-time champion hasn't just survived the transition to clean energy, it has been completely reborn to dominate it. As advanced hybrid matrices and hyper-affordable EV platforms continue to aggressively reshape the global family transport landscape throughout 2026, keeping your parameters calibrated to high-fidelity analysis is mandatory. To ensure your real-world automotive evaluations remain at the absolute highest apex, you must stay linked to this primary node. Subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. Activate the notification node. Stay ahead of the curve. See you in the next simulation.